Historically, we've done safety events like this independently across the whole group, and they have all been very, very successful. Doing it globally, I think, represents the maturity of where we are now with our safety agenda and our safety development, and it brings everybody together with a common theme across the whole of the group. We are doing very well with safety, and I'm very pleased with the progress we've made in the last few years. But I think it's good to do a global event that actually celebrates this progress and actually re-heightens the emphasis on safety across everybody. It's not that it's more important this week than any other week, but it's not often we actually celebrate our progress, and we have come a long way in a relatively short period of time.
What you can expect from Safety Week, hopefully a pretty positive week. It's about celebrating a cruise, it's about celebrating a safety culture, it's about celebrating a lot of the things that we get right, and there's a lot to share. There'll be a lot of videos, hopefully a lot of leaders visiting site, a lot of interaction. It doesn't matter where you are really in Keller, you can get involved in this. Safety champions are a key part of this. It's recognition of the real safety leaders around the organisation, who really makes things tick, who sets the culture in our shops and at our sites, and understanding who they are and making a bit of a thing about it. Stop Work Authority is a big focus throughout Safety Week. It's something that we can all be better at. It doesn't matter who we are, where we work, what we do. We all have a responsibility to stop work when things don't feel right. So this is a great opportunity for us to be able to reinforce that. It should be a very, very positive week. Looking forward to it.
A successful Safety Week to me would be a number of things. Firstly, that people have spent more time and retain more focus on safety as one of those things which is cultural and one of those things which is with us all of the time. I want to make sure everybody in the whole organisation, top to bottom, understands that they do have the authority to stop jobs. They have it in their power if they see something which is dangerous or they think might be dangerous, that it's absolutely incumbent on them to actually stop the job, get time to actually look at it and investigate it and make sure it's right or wrong. My final message on safety is this: make sure that whatever you're doing, wherever you're doing it, around the Keller world, safety is front of mind. And whether it's working with your colleagues, whether it's playing with your family, just make sure whatever you're doing, you're safe.